Welcome back to Vermont Outdoors with the Crowfoots, everyone. I'm here at one of my jobs, and the customer has this tree down in their yard. So he asked me if I could bring my chainsaw along and cut it all up and clean it up for him. So I brought my Husqvarna 562 XP along. So we're gonna get busy. I've got this pretty well all bucked up right down through here. A little bit of brush left over. My buddy Jeremy's got his truck over there. We're gonna throw the chunks on. He's gonna take it home, split it. He's got a wood stove. Won't be ready to burn until next year. There is another little tree down there I'm gonna go tackle. Alright, so we're just lugging all these pieces over to my buddy's truck. So here we are, filling up the back of this short box Chevy. I don't know how much it's going to be able to hold. We got the strip box Chevys all loaded up, so my buddy's gonna go dump it. I'll make 2 loads out of it. Get some more to get up in there, and we might cut some more down in here and up the driveway some more. There's some more we might cut and throw on, but all in all, just enjoying this weather. Really nice day here in southern Vermont. I believe today is the 11th day of February. Alright, we got another small load of firewood here. We had some more limbs that the wind knocked down here. Bucked it all up with the 562 XP. There's another piece we can get. But I think it's going to be it for today's video. Definitely ready for the weekend. But if you like these videos, click like, click subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Everybody have a great day.